We cannot progress in the face of disunity. We cannot progress in the face of issues that must be understanding. The host community must accommodate the company. Government will also, on its own part, make everything available and even possible for you to operate smoothly. So let me assure you on behalf of the government that you have our total support and our backing to succeed in this project. For the Obiakpo, let me stand on the assurance of the chairman that every other support that you also need is going to give to you. I think for a very long time I've not stood before you people. So let me say something here. It is little of politics, eh? We have made peace in the States. And we have a total, and I am supporting our Rainbow Party, our Rainbow Coalition. President Ahmed Bola Tinubu is our president and is the one we are supporting. Okay, Chinda is the governorship candidate that I am supporting, and anybody who believes in me will support. And every candidate that is under the rainbow. For those of you who are saying, Fubara, hey, let's stay. We want to collect something before we run. There's nothing to collect. Oh. I am already in the family. I've gone back to our family. So please, wherever you are, give your total support to that coalition. We need to move forward. The time of war is over. It's time of peace. And this peace is taking us to another level. What you lose here, you gain in another place. That is about life. Eh? So please, I want this to be made clear to everybody. So don't go anywhere and say you are supporting Fubara. No. My position is this. And I've said it here and clearly for everyone to hear. If you're not hearing well, use cotton wool or open your ear and let it enter well. I am not party to anything that will bring any form of disunity in this state. I've done what I need to do. For now, we're moving forward. Let me, on this note, thank everyone who has made it to this event. I assure you that in our usual way of monitoring whatever we start, we are coming here in the next 3 or 4 months to officially unveil the first part of the progress of this, will I say, let me borrow your word, groundbreaking event. Thank you, and may God bless everyone.